Hello guys, welcome to Your Valuable Knowledge. Today I'm going to talk about Google Worksheet from in which you can do a lot of things, and this is very good for using online. All the features that you found in the Microsoft MS Office Excel sheet will also found inside this. And why it is a very good tool is that you can do many things using this. You can use for a survey, you can use to collect all the questions in a webinar. You can create a format for your student and share it to all the students to fill something in editable mode, and you can use it for tracking your daily status report. Yeah, there are so many things that you can use using this, and this is really also many good features of the Google's. So I'll show you how you can do in a simple way. Just click to the grid icon at the upper right corner, then scroll down. You will see sheets. Click on it. Okay, after that, give your credential to log in into your Google Drive or Google Sheet, you can say. And remember all your whatever you work with, whether in the Google Excel sheet or Google Docs, Word, or PPTs, everything will be saved inside the Google Drive only. And that's beautiful. So you can store everything inside Google Drive. If you don't know how to use Google Drive, you can see my video. This is on Google Drive. So this is Google Sheets dashboard. Inside this, you will find so many predefined template. If you want to see, click here, and you will find so many predefined template. You can use any one of them as you wish. So you can use to-do list. You can use monthly budget. But as of now, I'm taking blank. So inside this, I'll show a small example that you can do. Like, yeah, you can make it merge it using this and type daily status report, and you can make it middle, click it, middle, ball, italic. You can do coloring. There's so many things you can do. You can resize it as you do in your Excel sheet, in Microsoft Office Excel sheet. So this is the day. This is your project details. These are descriptions of the work, and this is the steps, and this is that. Okay, you can remove this. So like this, you can do a lot of things. Ball and the you can do ball. So there is one. Um, then all the stuff that you do, select it and drag it will automatically give you all the day of the April. After that, project 1, project 2, whatever, right? So if you like this, you can set a template as of your requirement. After that, what you have to do is just share this file to the person with whom from whom you're going to check the status report. And this is daily status report. Okay, and save. Then give all the ID of the peoples. If you're working with 6 or 5 members in the team, then you can put all the ID here. After that, what you have to do is set can edit so that the people can come and edit, put their status accordingly. So that's how you can do, and you can copy the link directly from here and see how there is a notify people check. So send it, it will get notified to the people and they will know and they will accordingly put their status. And you don't need to worry of anything. They will put it and you can check whether the person put the status or not. If it's not put, then you can call out the person about it and you can do whatever you want to do, right? So this is the powerful of the Google Drive that you can use, and this is available free of cost, so you can use this for if you're working with a small group of people, you can use this kind of features provided by the Googles. Yeah, there's so many things you can do inside the file. You have so many share options, delete, row, view, format. Just go and check out what are the features available. You can create add a state from here, and you can rename is to rename. Just right click on it and rename, then give daily status report. Right, you can do many things as you do in the MS Excel sheet. The best part is you can share it and you can work together in one centralized place, and you don't need to mail again and again for the daily reports. So this is really cool features and you can have it. So I hope this video found really helpful to you, and start using it and they have an amazing life and enjoy. Stay tuned for my next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.